What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park.
Where did you travel last year?
I traveled to Italy.
Did you watch a movie last night?
Yes, I watched a comedy movie.
What time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Who helped you with your homework?
My brother helped me.
Did she call you last night?
No, she didn't call me.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
Did they go to the concert?
Yes, they went and enjoyed it a lot.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I had so much fun.
What did you buy at the store?
I bought some groceries.
Who taught you English?
My teacher taught me.
Did you see the new movie?
No, I didn't see it yet.
Where did you go for dinner?
I went to an Italian restaurant.
Why did you miss school yesterday?
I was sick.
Did he finish his project on time?
No, he finished it late.
What time did they arrive?
They arrived at 8 p.m.
Did you enjoy the party?
Yes, I had a wonderful time.
How much did it cost?
It cost $50.
Who won the football match?
Our team won!
Where did she go last summer?
She went to Spain.
Did you pass the exam?
Yes, I passed with good marks.
How did you travel to work?
I took the bus.
Why did they leave early?
They had another appointment.
Did he bring his laptop?
No, he forgot it at home.
What did you wear to the party?
I wore a black dress.
Who told you the news?
My friend told me.
Did you hear about the accident?
Yes, it was terrible.
What time did she go to bed?
She went to bed at 10 p.m.
Did they like the food?
Yes, they loved it.
Where did you learn to cook?
My mother taught me.
Did he apologize for being late?
Yes, he did.
What did you do on your birthday?
I had a small party with my family.
Did she enjoy the trip?
Yes, she had an amazing time.
Why did you stop playing football?
I got injured.
Did you meet anyone interesting at the event?
Yes, I met a famous author.
How did you feel after the workout?
I felt tired but happy.
What did they say about the project?
They said it was well done.
Who invited you to the wedding?
My cousin invited me.
Did you call your parents yesterday?
Yes, I talked to them for an hour.
What did you learn from the book?
I learned many new things.
Did you forget your keys again?
Yes, I did.
Why did she cry?
She was very emotional.
What did you do after school?
I went to my friend's house.
Did you like the gift?
Yes, I loved it.
Where did you lose your wallet?
I lost it in the supermarket.